Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you the Ottocast E2 AI Box and explaining exactly what it does and how it works. For those of you who don't know what an AI box is, it's basically an Android powered device that turns your car's factory multimedia system into a full Android tablet. So how does it do that? Very simple, the AI box sends video to your car's display through the existing CarPlay or Android Auto connection. You just plug the device into the USB data port of your car's multimedia unit, the car thinks a phone is connected and allows video transmission, but instead of displaying the classic Android Auto or CarPlay interface, the AI box sends a full Android tablet style interface to the screen. And here's the best part, even though the AI box is connected, you can still use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but this time wirelessly. Another important thing you should know is that the performance of these devices varies depending on the amount of RAM, the internal storage, and the Android operating system version. You can now see the full specs of the Ottocast E2 displayed on the screen. This AI box supports storage expansion up to 256 GB via a microSD card. It also features a nano SIM card slot and even cloud SIM support, which means you don't necessarily need to connect it to your phone's hotspot for internet access. On the back of the unit, you'll find cooling vents, a switch to select CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on the phone you're using, and a small reset button. Inside the box, you'll find all the necessary cables, so you can choose the one that matches your car's data port, either USB-C or USB-A. Let's now connect the AI box to the data port of these Renault Koleos. We are immediately warned that the system may distract the driver while driving, and I strongly recommend that only passengers use the video features. This message also tells me that I can use the Cloud SIM function. For now, let's use my phone's hotspot for internet access. At this point, you can use any of the pre-installed apps or install additional apps directly from the App Store or Google Play Store. YouTube needs an update first. I'll fast forward this part so you don't get bored, but I can assure you that apps install very quickly, depending of course on your internet speed. Now let's open the best YouTube channel out there. Since this is the 4 GB RAM version of the AI box, you may notice a bit of lag, but nothing serious or worrying. In my next video, I'll show you an 8 GB AI box from Ottocast, which is obviously faster, but also comes at a higher price. The video resolution depends on your car's multimedia screen. On this unit, for example, the image is crystal clear, perfect for watching a movie while your wife spends hours shopping at the mall. Layered look you don't usually see or unfinished, and the overall design leans more toward a luxury SUV. Slippery winter conditions, mud when things get soft and uneven.
Soundtrack of our kind. Red eyes, don't you worry, it's alright. New highs, we haven't reached, just being wise. We own the night, it's where we come alive. Till morning light, when we go back, it's sunrise. We're going wild tonight.
Head towards Strada Cornice, Strada Navidari, then turn left onto Strada Cornice.
As I mentioned earlier, this AI box also works as an adapter that converts wired CarPlay into wireless CarPlay, so there's no need to plug your phone into the USB port anymore. Personally, ever since I started using AI boxes, I rarely use CarPlay because I have all my apps directly inside the Android system.
Best I can offer you is peace.
Kidding. But you haven't fished here in years.
Only thing we haven't done in years is see.
Now let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses of this product. On the downside, there is some minor lag, which is completely normal for 4GB RAM AI boxes. I know this because I've tested several other 4GB models from different brands and they all behave similarly. If you're looking for something that feels much smoother and more responsive, I recommend watching my video about the Ottocast P3 Pro, which you can find in the description or at the end of this video. Also, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are noticeably slower than the wired version, but that doesn't really matter to me because I mainly use the Android 13 operating system of the AI box, where I have all my favorite streaming apps used by me and the rest of my family. As for the advantages, there are quite a few. First of all, the price, which is very competitive. At the moment, this module sells for around $150, and you can also use the discount code TDW10 to get 10% off. I also really like the flexibility when it comes to mobile data, since I can use either a physical SIM card or cloud SIM with this AI box. Another great feature is split screen mode, which allows you to use a navigation app while passengers watch a video or listen to music. Even with multiple apps running in the background, everything works smoothly and I haven't noticed any crashes or freezes. Overall, I think the value for money is absolutely fair. That's been my review of the Ottocast E2 AI Box. As I mentioned, I recommend checking out the Ottocast P3 Pro video linked in the description. And as always, don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to support the work that goes into making these videos. Bye bye!